Just beautiful and peaceful. My sister having a baby shower for her son. And we get here early because my lady like to decorate, so she's decorating and setting up. But it just happened to be right next to this park. And I'm probably gonna walk down there. It's supposed to be a canal. So I'm finna go check that out. It's the canal I'm walking through. I don't know how I always end up on some voyage. I know I wasn't finna be setting up for no baby shower. So yeah, check this canal out. Pets must be on the leash. And poop must be scooped. Nice. Nice. Will I walk down here? Oh, you can walk down here. And kids, don't do this by yourself. Get you some company to do this with. Don't do this by yourself. I can see my brothers right now like, oh yeah, we can fish out here. Nice. That's a duck on that spot. Look. It's a hill above us. A nice little duck off spot. Chill out. It's crazy. The water look clearer than you expect it to be. It's kind of clear. It's not real murky. Beautiful.